From two different countries of the old continent, Germany and England, comes our today's hostess to introduce you to our Playa del Carmen city tour. Meet Julie and Amy.
So you ready for an adventure? Let's go!
Hello girls, how you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing great. My name is Manuel, I'm your host today here in Xaman-Ha Connections for this tour, Tacos and Beer. We're gonna enjoy a lot. We're gonna be drinking cold beer, Mexican fine beer around Playa del Carmen. We're gonna show you some interesting places, and then we're gonna have the best tacos in town. Not in a tourist area, but the suburbs with the best quality side. Okay? Thank you and welcome again.
Thank you.
Now, I'll give you a beer. Which one would you like? We have lager, we got amber, we got dark, and light.
I want a light one. Light, please.
Enjoy!
Cheers. Cheers.
Cause I'm lost in the way you move, the way you feel. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities, I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities, I look like all you need.
So now we're going to go to the suburbs, and I'm really excited because we're going to learn a bit more about Playa del Carmen.
And after that, we're having the best tacos in town and having some nice Mexican beer.
Cheers! So now we're just finishing our tour in Playa Carmen, which was originally called Xaman-Ha, which means Agua del Norte.
Playa del Carmen now is a gated community with beautiful houses, hotels and a golf course. And now I'm so ready to have some nice delicious tacos. Are you?
Me too. Yeah,
Let's go.
At the truth, my money never lies. No, I'm the one.
So we've just been to this amazing church in the center of Playa del Carmen. The great thing about this place is that lots of people from other countries come to get married there, and also the locals get married there, and it's really beautiful and white. It's really nice. Also, we saw the city hall where the local people have a lot of events, and you can have a nice sweet corn in front of it.
I'm the only one. I'm the one that hit that same spot, and she the one that bring them raindrops. And we go back, remember payphone and thrift shop. They're the songs that bring us back when them tears drop. I'll make your dreams come true when you wake up, and your looks just the same without no makeup. Had to check up on your mama, see what you made of. Ain't gotta worry about their dramas or them breakups. You can run inside my life from that fame bus, cause I promise when we step out you'll be famous. Yeah, modern day Bonnie and Clyde, what they named us. Cause when we pull up, all angles. Yeah, you're looking at the truth, my money never lies. No, I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one. Early morning in the dawn, know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one, yeah. I know you're sick of all these other imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. See you watching, don't run out of time now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one. I'm the only one. I'm the one, the one. I'm the one. I'm the only one. She be my queen in the cards I dealt. She like that price, she see that ice and make her body melt. When I met her on the street, I asked her who she felt. Then she went and put a number in my only cell. We ain't got no label. She say she want bottles. She ain't got no table. She ain't got got no bed frame, she ain't got no tables. We just watching Netflix, she ain't got no cable. Okay though, plug, 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 I'm the plug for her. She wants some.
So this is the end of our tour. We enjoyed beautiful Playa del Carmen. We had some really delicious tacos and some good Mexican beer.
So make sure you follow us on social media at Xaman-Ha Connections and see you on the next tour.
Bye!
One early morning in the dawn, I don't wanna fight. I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one, yeah. I know you're sick of all these other imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. I see you watching, don't run out of time now. I'm the one, yeah.